Without determination, nothing will work for you. In this video I'm gonna show you how to quit smoking by using only one simple method. I smoked a lot in my life. Nothing can replace your determination and commitment. I always admire those who never get into smoking, so they don't need to face the hard path of quitting. Me? I'm not included in this group. Peer pressure, curiosity, being cool, all kind of stuff makes you try it out, and smoking itself became an addiction. Smelly hand, smelly mouth, smelly clothes, smelly everything. And the trick in that you're not gonna feel it on yourself, but all the other people will do. Yellow fingertips. No, you cannot wash them. The inconveniences of get all your clothes on a freezing winter day just to smoke a cigarette. And since you're out there, you're gonna smoke another one just to make sure it's worth your time to get all your clothes on. The money it costs. It's an expensive habit to have. A lot of people are motivated to quit because of the price. And we know that money can be a really great motivation. The coughing in the mornings. Not the best of experiences. And not to mention heavy breathing, doing the slightest amount of movement, like climbing some stairs or lifting something heavy or playing around with your children. To be honest, for me this was one of the key motivations, because I was doing Kung Fu already, but I needed to decide pretty soon that Kung Fu or smoking, because the two together won't work definitely. In case you are not familiar with any kind of martial art, in Kung Fu or in most of them, breathing is one of the key aspects. So what we have here: smelly clothes, smelly mouth, yellow fingertips, inconveniences, coughing, a lot of money, heavy breath. Are you related to any of this? Since you're watching this video, I'm sure you are determined enough. So let's get to it. Recognition. It means that you need to recognize that you would like to smoke. The easiest step you will definitely feel when you would like to smoke. So let's jump to the next one. Action. No procrastination, no nothing. When you feel the urge, just take immediate action. And action itself is clearly defined in this context. Do push-ups, or squats, or jumping jacks. Anything that makes you to move. Anything that does not need any tools. Anything that you can do straight away, and anything that results heavy breathing. And that's what we are looking for. Otherwise, you're gonna spend your time looking for some tools, clothes to wear before doing any kind of movement. No, we don't have time for that. Any moment you waste strengthening the urge to light one up. And believe me, it is strong enough by itself. And we don't want something definitely, and that is fighting this urge. Fighting against anything creates tension, and where there is tension, there's gonna be explosion. And where there is explosion in your behavior, it means that you're gonna behave more aggressive than usual. And that's what we wanna avoid. By doing the exercise straight away, you got two things. You use the momentum of the energy that is coming towards you, and by that you are giving it another direction. Do you remember back in school? Law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, and energy can be transformed from one to another. So that's what we are doing here, transforming energy. The second thing you got by doing this, which is a little bit more concrete, and this is what we are looking for: heavy breathing. This is the one that helps us. Have you ever tried to smoke while gasping? Believe me, it's not fun. Depending on the level of your physical fitness, you will end up breathing heavily after a few seconds, or maybe after a minute or something, but definitely you don't need to spend too much of time by doing the push-ups or the squats or whatever is your choice. As soon as you are breathing heavily, you definitely lose the urge to light up a cigarette. And yeah, I know that, I want to smoke while I'm in the bus stop. Yeah, I'm working in a busy office where a lot of people, where can I do the push-ups? No, you need to find a way, and you can find a way if you want to really quit. And that's why I said the first time, that's why I mentioned that without determination, no success will come to your way. So be creative when you're working with a lot of people in an office. Just go out to the toilet when you have a break and you would go to smoke anyway. There you go, you have the privacy to do your squats. Repeat. Don't stop. Repeat until the urge is there. Do the push-ups. Go ahead, do the squats. You will need to do push-ups in weird places less and less times, believe me. But in the meantime, you need to put some energy and put some effort and work into this. The average amount of weight that people gain after stopping smoking is about 4 to 5 kilograms. This is an average. I know people in my family who gained about 20 kilograms after quit smoking. And for those pound people out there, 20 kilograms equal to 44 pounds. So the first bird that you hit with the same stone is quitting smoking. And the second is the benefit of exercising. You're gonna create a pattern in your mind, so whenever you feel the urge to smoke, you're gonna do exercises instead. So the math is this: the more addicted you were, the more muscular you'll be. So the method is really simple. It helped me a lot. I was doing push-ups like crazy at the very beginning. I remember the first week I was like, I'd never done that amount of push-ups in my life. I could hardly move my hands, but I'm still here. It worked for me. I hope it's gonna work for you. Subscribe, like, kisses and bye. And the second